Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second binary puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Monday, September the 14th. Yes, I have already solved 5 puzzles. This is number 6 and we have 2 tectonics left, and this will be a number 1526. So let's get started. Double one, here no there no. Double one, here no there no. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Yes, and now let me see. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's in this row, so the rest are ones. 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Then double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Let me see, between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Yeah. 3. Let me see. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Yeah. Let me see. Let me scan. Three O's. If I place the 4th one here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. 3 O's, yes. 3 ones in the first row. If I place the number 4 here, then we have 4 O's in a row. Not allowed. So this cannot be an 1. This should be an O. If I place the 4th one here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Do we need to compare? Yes. This one and that row. 1, 1, 1, 1, O, O, 1, 1, O, O, empty box, O, O. So we need to switch these 2 numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O there, this should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Comes to 1, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there no. Need to compare again. That's the question. Do we have a double O? Double one. No. How about this 101? Do we have a 101 here? No. Double one here. No. So So I need to compare with the columns. 101. Yeah, this look almost similar. This one and that one. Empty box 110011111100 empty box. So we need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. With an O there, this should be a 1. 4 ones in the first row, so the rest are O's. 4 O's in the last row, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, correct. Finish in 5 minutes again. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a second with the tectonic. 2 tectonics left. See you soon. Bye bye for now.